Okay, a little help from my friends here if necessary. If you miss the orientation, you get most of everything right here in your course information. So you can meet me, you can get your syllabus, you can see the grading structure. This is a calendar of, not a calendar, but what's due and when. It gives you the dates. I still have to add to it, fix it up. Discussion forum instructions, discussion forum guidelines, intro to Blackboard, and some other orientation that I have down here. I don't remember quite what's in there, but again, uh, that will help you with your orientation. But mainly, I'm here because we're in Module 1, and we've been there since yesterday or perhaps before. If you need to get back to the orientation, you can visit this folder anytime you'd like. However, the point at hand or the issue at hand is Module 1, academic, the first academic component. This is basically a screenshot of all of the contents that you presently have underneath Module 1. Your learning guide is the driving force. It's pretty much a commentary on the content of the chapter, stating the topics, stating the objectives, and very importantly, these are the learning activities. These are your study tasks. These are your study tasks. This is hopefully would guide you through learning of the material to prepare you for submissions of the discussion forum assignment, the textbook assignments, and most importantly, for the tests when you're done with everything. Okay, so that's your most important. Button right there is the learning guide. It walks you, talks you through the course. Nothing is clickable inside here. You have to go back to lessons. Okay, go back to lessons. Go to your learning modules. Again, you'll see the whole menu of items here. This is like a Dropbox. This is like a Dropbox where you submit your textbooks. Yeah, your textbook assignment. What you do is you save your assignment on your desktop as I previously instructed, and then when you're gonna browse your computer to find what it is that you're gonna submit, you click Browse My Computer, find the file, open the file. You might want to make a brief comment, and then just click Submit. Make sure it's loaded in this area here, and then you click Submit, and then I will get it. Okay? And the same is true if you go back to Lessons and Learning Modules, and the same is true with the test submission. Okay, so that here's your test submission. They're like Dropboxes. Okay, you see them right there. So what you do is when you do your assignments and you complete your answer sheet on the test, you save the items on your desktop and then attach them by browsing and finding them and then submitting them into these two, we used to call them Dropboxes. Okay, very, very important module here or folder is a bunch of stuff you may or may, hopefully you've examined it and reviewed everything inside. There's some instructions on how to use my accounting lab, as well as the Module 1 instructions, which these are the two guys that I emailed you, and they had to go to the Drive, the Google Drive, and I know that many of you asked me for access to them, but they are right here and easily clickable. This, I think, was my accounting lab instructions from last year. This is a great video in solving problem 1A3. The guy does a really nice job in solving out a transaction problem using the basic accounting equation. Very worthwhile watch. And you may or may not know it, but I presented the solutions to you for 1A for your to help you solve. Just keep clicking this son of a gun. I don't know whether you're getting it, but just click it about 5 or 6 times. So this is an image of this is the solution to problem 1B1. Okay, your 1A1 that you have to do is going to be a spitting image of this with different numbers. Your solution to 1A3 will look just like this. Your solution to 1A4 will look just like this. So that in Excel format. I can't rotate that here, but you guys can print it out. Okay? Now what you want to do really is go to the textbook and find the problems in the text, 30, 33, 34, 35, whatever page they happen to be on, and trace each of the transactions that are noted in the problems and trace them to the solutions. And then you're learning as you're going off of a solution. Transaction A, transaction B, grab it out of the book. Read it from problem 1B3. Look at how they solve it and solve the rest of the problem. Same thing with 1B4. I'm sure they give you a list of accounts. They give you a list of accounts that are needed in order to prepare the three basic statements, the income statement, the equity statement, and the balance sheet. Trace the numbers into, I don't think it's from balance of cash here. I don't think no, they're not. Okay, they're independent. Okay, they're independent of one another. But nonetheless, here they are. That's an income statement. That's an equity statement. That's a balance sheet. All this stuff, kids, is in the chapter, in the PowerPoint slides, in the videos. So, again, I don't want to overkill it, but you guys got to dig in order to get it done. All right? So let me get out of here and go back to lessons, go back to modules, module 1. There's another, I pulled that from YouTube, I think, and brought it over here. It's a nice video. Some woman, I think, from another college does it. Nice job. These are your instructions again. Boring. But don't ignore anything here, okay? Don't ignore anything. Go back and review the course information. Your announcements, of course, are automatic. You'll see them on the opening page when you log in. If you don't, just click announcements and you'll find them. This is how you access your discussion forum. Remember that when they're getting to know you, all you had to do, guys, was like click on it and then go from there. I believe your discussion forum should be set up for you in Module 1. Where is it? Learning guide. Oh, instruction. Oh, I think I have to post that someplace. Okay, I will. We'll get it done. I'm not sure where the hell it is. All right, not to worry. Oh, I know where it probably is, under discussions. Oh, hang on. First post. Where is it? Well, you're going to have to help me. Don't worry about it. We'll find it. Okay. I know I have it someplace. Maybe I didn't post it yet. Yeah, okay. So there you go. I hope this helps. Your course calendar is down here. As you can see, the Chapter 1 stuff is postable starting 29th, runs right through the 5th. Then I post a test on the 7th of February. Here it carries over. Okay, there's the end of January, or the 5th is your final due dates for your homework, your discussion stuff. And here's your test, which you'll have access to, and then you'll be able to complete it, save it, and post it in that sort of a Dropbox submit test icon or page. And then we start Chapter 2, and then I'll fill this in as we go forward. Okay, I hope this helps someone, and I'll be back, and hopefully you'll get the grasp of this, and always feel free to ask me a question. I'm here to help. You know that. I try to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Good luck. Stay inside. Don't try to drive. Don't shovel too hard. Stay off the streets. Stay in. I hope you got a lot of bread and milk.